My people, a Nigerian consultant, anesthetics, based in UK. In fact, this man matter tire me. They say they arrest the man because say he correct in pikin, he beat am. White people. They say they suspend the boy because the boy they bully in classmates. You understand? If they take school like this, he go they step on the classmates wey get injury already. The boy go they step on top of the injury. He go they bully anyhow. That's what they call suspender, and they blame the parents on top. So this man can't go school, say they go pick him pikin now, you understand? My people, from inside car, as they report and finish, this man start dey slap the pikin. No be small thing, no. As they reach house, wetin they call that punishment? Where you go hold your ear, he squat, you do frog jump, you do pick waiting, you do no be small punishment where this man punish this boy. After that, he carry broom, they flog. African blood, our blood too hot. Now be the reason why they arrest this man. No, if they can't even withdraw a license, they say you no go practice medicine again. Many wahala. So my people, as they can't release this man now, they still give her a license back. You understand? Be like say they short of doctors. They come ask and say, bros, wetin be the reason why you go treat your pikin like this? Now so this man come tell and say, say no be in photo, say na the cultural upbringing for Nigeria. You know say Africa na so we dey be, our parents. Any of una wey no experience this kind of thing, I don't know which hand you grow. Because real African parents, they bosa before you even think. Sometimes we dey fear to sleep, especially when you don't commit. I know so many of una go dey relate. My people, now wetin happen to this man, and now the matter dey everywhere. Now I say make I bring am come for una because now white people don't dey blame Nigeria. Say the way we dey treat our children, train our children, you know right. See who they talk. I know they support beating person till die or till bleed. But it is very important to correct your pikin. It is necessary for this Africa. Let me say una never ready. All of una wey dey talk say communication is key. Communication is key. Una no get stubborn children. Now why una dey come outside dey talk plenty. If una do experience stubborn pikin, una go understand. Una go understand why. No, the first saying beat am till him bleed, I no support am. No get me wrong. I no support am, but he need beat am. Because now so we grow. And not true because na Nigerian culture. Some children dey. If you talk to them, they know you understand. They know they get issue. They take correction. They learn. They do the right thing. If you talk to them, we get other set of children. Hey, labalamo. Those ones. If you let talk from now till tomorrow, bring down the roof, break the walls, they go still do wetin dey their mind. Unless you cane them. Now so they be. So I know they blame some people where they beat. You understand? For Africa, we they beat. As long as say now out of correction, good mind, no be wickedness. Because some people don't they use the thing now to they do wicked. I don't understand white people. I know they understand them. You suspend boy from school. Say they bully mates, if they do this one, they do this one. You even blame parents because of bad behavior. Now, in papa come, in papa beat am, in papa correct am, you jail the papa. Wetin una want? Wetin be the thing where these people want? Because I don't understand. If the thing where these parents do, wait, relax. If the thing where these parents do, they wrong. Now be say the school too, they wrong for suspending the pikin. Because the parents beat am, the father beat am because he do something bad. Una suspend am because he do something bad. So wetin can't they bring the whole issue, the argument and plenty things? How you go born pikin where you no fit correct am? How? So you go just sit down, they watch your pikin. You do something bad, you they smile. Junior, stop it. Junior, stop it. Even Bible talk am, spare the rod and spoil your child. It dey Bible, no be me, no be my English. So all this one what they do now? See, now I don't understand some kind of things. Now why criminals full everywhere for Oyibo people country? Now why you full everywhere? Now why their children don't even get respect? You go see 9-year-old pikin, they use F word on the parents. They go even the jam door. Don't talk to me like that. Don't for Africa, can't try am. That your head. By the time they koboko you, how many of una know koboko? That year, that thing they use and design my body. Forget me, I been stubborn well. I chop, I chop beating o. And my mouth being sharp. Anything where I say I won't talk, my mama been the beat. I bet say make una know my all of una wait like white people lifestyle. Copy oyibo. Continue. Now una pikin go still carry gun shoot una. That time una go dey question God. No, keep the spoiling. Continue to dey spoil them, dey pamper them, dey spoil them. E go red for una eye. I no talk say make you kill your children, but you suppose correct them. E dey very, very important. You understand? Very, very important. Many people wey you see today, wey dey get their head cool, they dey think, they dey focus. Na because of the way they bring them up. Most of the criminals wey una dey see for outside, who train them? If you train your pikin well, they go behave in a way wey human beings sef go dey appreciate them. No bring me this story say you no suppose beat your pikin, no bring am come here o. I no go accept am. You understand?